piano.
They keep on trying to tell me all you want to do is use me. But my answer to all that use me stuff spread the news. If it feels as good getting used, you just keep on using me. You use me up. Well, my brother sat me right down and talked to me. And he told me I ought not just let you walk all over me. And I'm sure he meant well. But when our talk was through, I said, brother, if you only knew, you'd wish you were in my shoes. You just keep on using me until you use me up.
License and registration. Up against the wall.
up in front of all my friends. And then you act really, really, really rude to me. Baby, 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 baby. You know when you love me, I just can't get enough. I said, brother, if you only knew, you could wish you were in my shoes. You just keep on using me till you use me up. Till you use me up. You using me, all depends on what you do. And you know it's too bad you're using me, cause I sure as hell am using you to do the things you do. To do the things you do. To do the things you do. I said, brother, if you only knew, you'd wish you were in my shoes. You just keep on using me until you use me up.
So, boys and girls, it's the time in our show
We have
to say something funny. Okay, Jim.
So
What?
now is it like say something funny or shut up or what?
No, but if you don't have something to say something funny, then you know what are you talking?
Shut up.
You may as well. Why? You know what would you say if it wasn't funny?
Well, you know me.
What about you, Mr. Zurek?
I'm driving. Do I have to turn this car around?
You don't have to go this way though. This is the way to the field.
I don't think you want to go this way.
Boys and girls, we're back again. What? What? Is it funny?
Much fun, much fun.
Is it fun? Oh, the trip. John, is there funniness?
Don't mess with the zombie wolf.
Moving to Montana soon.
Ah, that's too easy.
Gonna be a dental floss tycoon.
Your camera. I got her. Okay, John, there you go, buckaroo. Good job, John. I would say your little dry bag worked.
Well, I didn't mean to test it like that.
Oh, Ma Lewis is gonna love that. Hold on, I'll throw you a pump. Is it still running, Mark? Is your camera still running?
You got it.
Did you turn it off?
Oh, it's still running.
All right, let me shut it off. How do I do that?
It came off of this thing and I grabbed it and threw it in the boat. And I was in knee-deep water. I couldn't get my feet under me. I couldn't get turned around. You gotta have your feet downstream.
Well, that water is so strong, your kayak was full of water.
Oh, cool.
And then your pack was like a rudder sitting down there, you know?
Went through the big rapid, turned it over, and still got it on camera.
You're gonna hear this one. Damn it, son.
Got it all on camera, goddammit.
How old do you think you are?
You boys need to act your own age. Grow the fuck up sometime, boys.